How do you create content that leaves your audience loving you and wanting more every single time? Here are 10 guaranteed strategies to always create engaging content that will keep your audience wanting more. Number one, step up your storytelling game. Take your audience on a journey and make sure the story isn't compelling enough to keep them engaged. All great stories have the following components: the characters, which are the people, the setting, which is the context, the time or the era, etc., the plot, which is the sequence of events that lead to each sequence of events in the story, the conflicts, which is a major problem that needs a solution, and of course, the resolution, which is the solution. Number two, make it personal. You want your content to be engaging. Make sure it speaks directly to your audience. Speak to the problem, the emotions it causes. Speak to the solution and the emotion it will cause. Show you've walked a mile in their shoe and you care. Number four, leverage visuals. Incorporate visuals into your content to make it more engaging. Also, try changing visuals on video content every few seconds to keep them engaged. Use high quality content, and unusual or unexpected images will go a long way. Just make sure it's appropriate and relevant. Number five, ask questions. Ask your readers questions to get them thinking and engaged in conversations. Number six, be interactive. Give your audience the opportunity to interact with your content via polls, surveys, etc. Number seven, share your expertise. Show your audience you are an expert in your field by showing insights and experience. Stories, results, rare insights all go a long way. Number eight, use humor if appropriate. Add a bit of humor to your content. Most people love a good laugh. Feel free to give it to them. Number nine, keep it concise. Keep your content concise and to the point. Avoid losing your viewers' attention. No one likes a time waster. Don't be one. It doesn't mean leave out important details, just leave out things that aren't necessary. Finally, number 10, incorporate multimedia. Incorporate different types of media such as videos, podcasts, images, GIFs, and music where appropriate to make your content more engaging. There's so much media today. Use it to keep them captivated. There you have it, 10 tips guaranteed to help you create engaging content every single time. Do you have any tips you've discovered in your experience? Shine in the comment section below. We might just learn something exceptional from you. Happy creating!